Hope you're doing well. Looks like we've been having a little bit of busy day, so I thought I'll give you a perspective of how this school dashboard works. So what I've done is I've added few mock-up data. As you can see, these are the information that I've added in here, and and I also these are few fields which actually gets updated based on the the date what we have, and it automatically takes the week and as well as the month, along with few things that I've added for macro sync and so on. So as you can see, I've also kept the the monthly sheet. I've added the charts for that, and then the weekly information. So all these things will automatically get updated. Basically, this is YTD. In other words, whatever data that you kind of keep updating in here, it will automatically be updated in the monthly and the weekly sheet as they are driven by formulas. And these are the three sheets which get those information. I've given you a little bit of data charts like in cell charts. So that is also available for your perspective as to how things work. And then we have all the tables and the pivots where the charts. So we have like dashboard here and as well as the summary. So they are driven by all these information. So what I did is created two dashboards. One is the one which you have given me as a priority with the data sets where the combinations were there. So that's coming in the um, the old. So you can see here all of these charts, activities, weekend activities versus monthly versus weekly information right here, and then the preparations. All these things are available. So if you want, you can actually pause the video and see what are the charts that I've added, and so on. So and then I've also given a little bit of slicers, which allows you to slice and dice based on the numbers. So if you wanted to see only April, that gets updated in here, or anything that you update, click here. Basically, this part is the one which gets shown. If I link all the charts, basic, it kind of you'll hardly see like one line in it, so it doesn't make sense. So that's the reason I've just given only the the total numbers on top. So if you can do multi information as well, like show me only 3 weeks of data or 2 weeks of data, whatever is the need you can do, and so on. So that's currently where we are. And the second dashboard, this one also resembles the same thing. The only difference is it has all the fields that we have here. So if you kind of go down, you can see I've given individual information like withdrawals, weekly versus the monthly, and so on. Like, so you can see that it has all the charts that are required in the fields that are needed. In case a specific chart is not needed, you can just click on it and like this, and just press the delete key and it will go away. So that's generally how it is. And I'm actually possibly duplicating this, but I wanted to give you based on this information on top. So that's what this chart does. So let me know when we can catch up. If I do have few queries that we can address in our meeting, and then if everything is good, we can kind of go from there. So feel free to contact me. All right, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.